going up and down.
You must have to see in the flesh my newest acquisition.
Attention parents, may I present to you ladies and gentlemen, we kindly request our VIP guests to bear with us whilst we restore our back to the station. We are currently experiencing some technical difficulties. To correct the situation, do see
Gotcha. Oh, what are you guys still doing here? Tour's over. The cages are open and the creatures are loose. You gotta get out of here. Wait. Don't get out of here. I could use a hand. My little pal Brute is lost in the fortress somewhere, and I need to find him before he gets ate. I found his tiny little heat signatures, see? All those other heat signatures are, well, don't worry about them. Listen up. You guys can be a big help while I look for my pal. A gantry lift full of warm terrans makes a really great distraction. I just need you to wave your arms, scream, whatever it takes, and then all these things will, never mind. You in? It doesn't matter. That was rhetorical. Now let's move. Meet me at the gantry lift. Scream real loud and look delicious. have gone better. What?